This video will demonstrate how to file and pay Connecticut paid leave contributions using the online payment portal. All contributions for the quarter should be submitted no later than the last day of the month following quarter end. To access the payment portal, you will first need to sign in to the Connecticut Paid Leave website by clicking on the blue Sign In button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Enter your ct.gov credentials and verify your account. Now click on your name and use the drop-down menu to navigate to My Account for Business. Locate the account for which you would like to submit a payment and click on the blue File and Pay button to the right. You will see an on-screen message asking you to confirm the account that you would like to file and pay for. If the account shown is correct, click Confirm. Now you will be brought into the payment portal. In step 1, you will need to select the reporting year and reporting quarter. The reporting quarter is the 3-month period covered by each quarterly contribution filing. For example, quarter 1 refers to the months of January, February, and March and ends on the last day of March. The quarter when the wages were paid should be used to determine the reporting quarter. Select the reporting year and reporting quarter and click Next. In step 2, you will see the dates included in the reporting quarter, and you'll be asked to confirm that these dates are correct. In this case, since I selected quarter 2 of 2023, the dates covered include all the dates from April 1st, 2023 through June 30th, 2023. Since I have not yet filed or paid any contributions for this period, I see the message in red, stating that Connecticut Paid Leave has not yet received any successful filings for me for Q2 2023. If I had already filed and paid for this quarter, that information would be displayed here with the invoice name, amount, status, and filing period start and end dates. Once you have confirmed your reporting quarter and year, click Next. In step 3, I will calculate my contribution amount. First, select the answer to the question, do you have subject earnings to report? Yes or no. If you are unsure of what subject earnings means, please read the text to the right of the screen. Now answer yes or no to the question, is this contribution for the full quarter? If you select yes, the start and end dates for the pay period will be automatically filled in. If you select no, you will need to enter the dates covered by this filing. If you are a sole proprietor or self-employed individual, please read the text to the right for the definition of self-employment income. Next, you will enter the total number of workers whose wages you are reporting. If you are a sole proprietor or self-employed individual, you should enter the number 1. Then you will enter the total subject earnings for the period for which you are reporting. The contribution amount of 1/2 of 1% will automatically calculate. If you need to enter a different contribution amount than the one that appears due to rounding, place a check mark in the box and enter the amount that you would like to pay. Please note that there must be an amount within $5 of the automatically calculated contribution amount entered, or the system will not allow you to proceed. Once you have entered or confirmed your contribution amount, click Next. In step 4, you are asked to provide supporting documentation and attest to the information provided. You will enter the total Connecticut gross wages for the period for which you are reporting and the total number of workers for those wages. If you need further information on Connecticut gross wages, please read the text to the right. It is possible that you will enter different information in this step than what you entered in step 3 because the worker count of the subject or FICA earnings and gross wages could differ depending on what is being paid out regarding income classification and if workers have exceeded the FICA wage limit for the reporting quarter. The Connecticut Paid Leave Authority will validate the gross wages reported using data from the Connecticut Department of Labor and Department of Revenue Services. Once you have entered this information, place a check mark in the box to attest to the statement above and click Next. Finally, in step 5, you will provide your payment information. If you have previously made payments through the online portal, the default payment method will appear. If this is the first time you are making a payment, or if you would like to add a new payment method, click Add New. Once you have entered the payment information, click the blue Add button to add the card. You will see an on-screen message indicating that your payment method was successfully created. Now you can process your payment. If your payment is successful, you will see an on-screen message indicating such. When you click Done, you'll be brought to the payment summary screen, which will show the details of your payment, including the transaction name, account name, amount paid, wages entered, and the date the payment was made. Please note that it can take 5 days for the payment to process from your bank account. When you return to your account homepage, you'll be brought back to the details. And on the right side of the screen, you will be able to see the payment that you just completed with the invoice name, the status, the amount, the filing period start and end dates, and the reporting quarter and year. This completes our tutorial on how to file and pay using the My Account for Business online payment portal.